In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add loyalty program to Wix website. To begin, open your site's main Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website settings, design, and installed features. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. Move your cursor over Apps and then click on App Market. The App Market is where Wix provides tools and integrations that can add new features to your website without requiring any custom coding. After the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top of the page. In that search field, type Wix Loyalty Program. In some cases, you may also see a related result connected to Wix Online programs, but what you want here is the official loyalty app built by Wix. Choosing the official Wix app is important because it is designed to work smoothly with your site and with Wix member features. Once you find the correct app, click on it to open the app page. You should then see a blue Add to Site button. Click that button to begin installing the loyalty program on your website. This part is very quick, and Wix will handle the setup automatically in the background. As soon as the app is added, Wix will connect the rewards engine to your site's backend. In simple terms, this means the loyalty system will be activated behind the scenes, so you can begin using it as part of your website experience. Wix will also automatically create a dedicated loyalty program tab that appears in your live site's customer member pages. This makes the feature visible and accessible to your visitors and members, so they can view and interact with your loyalty program directly from their account area. If you are checking your live site after installation, make sure you are looking in the member section where customer account pages appear. That is where the new loyalty tab will be placed. This automatic setup helps save time and reduces the need for manual configuration. At this point, the loyalty program has been added to your Wix website. From your dashboard, you can continue exploring the app settings if you want to manage how your rewards experience works, but the installation itself is complete as soon as the app is added and the loyalty tab appears. That covers everything you need to know.